Hello everyone, I have a huge announcement to make and I want to thank you because we hit 10,000 subscribers. Now this wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for you, and I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. This YouTube journey has been a roller coaster. You know, you don't know what you're going to get out of it when you post a video. You don't know who you're going to meet. I've met other YouTubers, I've met other subscribers, and you know, I don't even want to call them subscribers. I want to just say, you know, community. It's been awesome, and I just want to thank you so much for this experience because it's you guys that are making this experience. You know, I've met some pretty big YouTubers and other YouTubers. I've met T-Roy Cooks, which he's out in Texas. I'm out here in California. I've met Smoking and Grilling with AB, two awesome channels and two great men, and also one that you wouldn't even think, he lives completely across the other country, you know, world, Lassie from Lassie's Food and Barbecue. I've met a lot of other YouTubers and I've been honored and blessed to meet them all. But it's a crazy experience what this YouTube stuff is bringing, you know, to my life. I never really thought I was going to be doing YouTube. When it comes to food, you know, I worked so many years in the restaurant business. My whole passion was to actually open up my own restaurant, food truck, food cart, catering business, whatever it was. I wanted to do that, and I wanted to be the sole owner because I wanted the whole focus to be, you know, delivering my food to people. And I miss that, you know, I miss the rush in the restaurant. So it's actually expensive to open a restaurant. And that's one of the things that's held me back. I mean, yeah, I could buy a little equipment, little here and there, but to actually get into it like completely like how I want to, it's a lot of money. So this YouTube thing just kind of was an outlet for me. I can share my food with people, and that's honestly like what I want to do. Is just my passion of cooking is to share my food with people. And when I hear you guys tell me that you made the recipe and how it was, it's an honor. I'm flattered, I'm honored, I'm shocked, you know, and I love it. It's awesome to hear. Like, you know, of course I get negative comments. I don't really care for those, but I'm pretty professional when it comes to food sanitizing and, you know, making sure things are clean and stuff like that. You know, wash your hands. But you know, it's just an honor. And if you guys do watch my videos and you try the food, let me know. I want to know how it comes out, and I would love to hear what you guys think. So we're going to be doing a giveaway. This is for US only, and I started my channel, my channel started really growing when I started doing air fryer videos. And I get a lot of people, when I do drop an air fryer video, that they wish they had an air fryer because they would like to try it. So today we're going to be giving an air fryer away. Like that one back there. I mean, you're not going to get that one. You're going to get a brand new one. But yeah, that one's mine. Don't keep your hands off that one. But yeah, super simple contest, and this is just to give back to you guys for everything that you guys done for me. And you know, hearing your thoughts period about the recipes is really amazing, and I just want to say thank you, and that's what this is for. Thank you so much. So the requirements for this contest is US only. I'm sorry this is coming out of my pocket. I don't make a whole lot of money on YouTube, so you know, every money that I get I put it back into the channel, regardless if it's food or some type of, you know, gadget or whatever I'm buying, you know, to put on the channel. But yeah, we're gonna be doing an air fryer for you guys, US only, and all you have to do is comment on this video, and I just need to make sure that you're subscribed to me. And a little update on the channel, I'm gonna be diversing my recipes a little bit. You know, I've been trying little by little, you know, because I cook more than just air fryer stuff. So, you know, I want to bring in some delicious recipes to share with you guys, and I hope you try them out. We got Thanksgiving coming pretty soon. I'm gonna be making a whole Thanksgiving dinner, so that's gonna be a pretty busy time because there's a lot to do. So, but yeah, that we got fall coming, and I'm gonna be doing a little bit of everything. So I just hope you guys enjoy it and see where this YouTube stuff goes from here. And I just want to say thank you. Bottom of my heart, thank you. So, get your comments in, get into that contest, and see if you could win an air fryer just like that one over there. As always, y'all be beautiful and take care. So yeah, super simple contest. All you gotta do is just comment down below. And a little secret what you have to comment down below is, Kirby, I got my fat pants on. That's a requirement in your comment that you have to put in there. Because that is our slogan for this channel and we're gonna run with it.